This is a one-owner 2017 Kia Soul Plus. There are 4 cylinders, 1.6 liters. It does have a rebuilt title. You can view the Carfax report by visiting www.onyxautosales.net. There are 4 cylinders, 1.6 liters. I'll zoom in so you can see the rims and the tread on the tires. The interior is a black fabric in great shape. There are no rips, tears, or stains anywhere. There's the instrument panel. You have steering wheel controls, pair your phone, keep your hands nice and free, stay safe while driving. Your stereo, climate control. Well, the sun's in the way, but that's where your USB auxiliary port and 12 volts charging are. It is an auto manual. You have power locks, power windows. If you're looking for a vehicle, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Kia out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle from Onyx and you will drive away with a smile. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.